looks like we might have beat the rain today so far anyway. We still got a couple hours left, but
this is pretty funny. Last night I stayed up and polished this bike and cleaned it and waxed it, and one rain ride and you make yourself 2 hours of work when you get back to the house. Assuming you want to have a detailed, cleaned up bike. And he goes, I do. It's like I'm getting married, I do. But anyway, another unpredictable day today. We got caught in an unpredictable day yesterday. I have a feeling today's going to be unpredictable too, so I'm going to try to get out early, try to get all the yard work done, try to take care of anything Karen needs me to do, and get out on the open road.
every day when we come out to the garden for the perp walk and feed the fish, look at this. Every day there's new flowers. And I'm trying to keep track of how our clean earth, the electronic things are working. So far they seem to be working pretty good. And every day that goes by we just have more new stuff in our garden. Pretty much, look at it, there's a bee over here. Nature is so powerful. It's just such a good job to be a farmer. Tending to the fields every day. How unpredictable is this? It's blue on one side and it looks like we're going to get killed on the other side. Well, you don't know any day. Every day in the last week has been just like that. Well, all that's left is have another cup of coffee, check the email, make sure I didn't win the lottery, and get the bike pre-flighted and get out of here before it rains again. So today we have a couple of photos to share from our friend Dallas in Sacramento. And when I looked at this whole set of photos, it woke me right up. Let me show these one by one. Now these are bugs. He said in a 5-mile stretch of road where these bugs hang out. I don't know. The only thing I can relate this to is we were driving our minivan down south when the June bugs were out. And oh my God, the whole car looked like that mirror. Now it's true, Miles used to help me when I would get home from a ride. He'd be sitting on a porch, see me pulling a driveway. Oh, let me help you clean the bugs. So he'd get a can of wax and immediately spray the tires. Now I just rode in the rain yesterday and it took me an hour to clean the bike. I do not like having a bike where that grit from around by the chain and everything. Ugh, it just takes forever. Now, can you imagine riding without a face shield in this? Oh, that's what your face would look like. We do get bugs up here, and nothing like this, though. You have won the trophy. That is amazing. That is amazing. Now, I've been out to California many times, and I've been in the Sacramento area. I never experienced that at all. And the most memorable thing I remember about California, we were in Napa, we were having lunch, and there was a bird with 1 foot begging for food, so we started feeding him. And, you know, that's a true story. And then we went north, about 2 hours north. We stopped to have something to eat. We're eating, and a bird comes right over by us, and he has 1 foot too. And I said, holy mackerel. I know birds can't live in a wild with 1 foot, but I guess there's enough people in California that feed them. By the way, that's a great looking Suzuki. Really, really nice. Anyway, thanks for sharing, Dallas. Appreciate it. Final weather check for today is thunder showers by noon, exactly the same as yesterday, and we got rained on pretty good, but today, maybe today's our lucky day. You know what? The truth is, every day is our lucky day. Every day we get to ride, and I'm going to thank them early. Thank you, coronavirus workers, for making all of this possible. So all of the emails done, all of the stuff The chores are done. The garden's watered. Everything's ready. Oh, there's only one thing not ready yet. You got to get over there, get on that motorcycle, and get some mileage. we might have beat the rain today so far anyway. We still got a couple hours left, but looks like the clouds are holding, not like yesterday. So the way the day played out, it's exactly the opposite of yesterday. Yesterday we had clear and nice ride home to dry off after some rain. Today it looks like we might have beat the rain altogether. A couple of drops of rain on the way home, but nothing big. And that's how it's been, just unpredictable weather. As I say it, I look down and there's raindrops falling. Raindrops keep falling. Can you believe this? There's raindrops falling. I just got home in the nick of time. Wow. So it's not often that we're this lucky. We get home right in the nick of time, which is exactly the opposite of yesterday. We got home and it was beautiful on the ride home. It's unpredictable is the only way you can describe it. So as always, I want to thank the COVID workers, our healthcare heroes, for making these rides possible. Oh my God, am I thankful. Am I thankful, because I know not everybody has a diversion like I have. You can get out on the open road all by yourself. All by yourself. What a great thing. Anyway, thank you guys. Thank you so much, and hope you enjoyed the video. And of course, thanks for watching.